A very good morning, dear students. So, in the second chapter, you are supposed to write the unit test. So, let us recall the notes. It's a resource chapter, geography, first chapter. Fill in the blanks. On the basis of origin, resources can be classified into dash and dash resources. That is, biotic and abiotic resources. So, on the basis of origin resources, it has been classified the resources into biotic and abiotic resources. Coal and petroleum are examples of non-renewable sources of energy. Examples of non-renewable sources of energy are coal and petroleum. Third one, resources that are found everywhere are called ubiquitous resources. UBIQUITOUS. Ubiquitous resources. Fourth one, human beings are the greatest resources on the earth. So dash are the greatest resources among all the resources which are found on the earth is human beings. Fifth one, the rate at which resources are produced by humans is called productivity. Productivity is the resources which can be produced by humans. Okay. Next is match the following. Match column A with column B. Column A versus column B. Column A, roads and railways, skilled labor, air, petroleum, waterfalls of Africa. Column B, potential resources, human-made resources, localized resources, ubiquitous resources, and human resources. So roads and railways are connected with the human-made resources. Roads and railways are made by humans. Skilled labor or human resources. Air is a ubiquitous resources which is present everywhere. Petroleum is a localized resources. Waterfalls of Africa, it's a potential resources. So dear students, please go through the video. Those who doesn't have the textbook, please get the textbook as early as possible, because as the lessons goes on, you should be able to read and refer the textbook for your notes or the test preparation. So please go have a textbook with you. Next is state whether the following statements are true or false. The first one is the continuous rise in population has increased the demand for the resources at a rapid rate. Yes, it's true, because every population wants to fulfill their desires and wants. In order to fulfill their desires and wants, they have to utilize the resources. So it increases the demand for resources at a rapid rate. Any country, second one, any country that wishes to progress must take care of its human resources. It's true. Because of the human resources only, the country has to move on. Third one, air and sunlight are examples of localized resources. False. Renewable resources are also known as exhaustible resources. False. Abiotic resources are obtained from living things. False. So we have studied fill in the blanks, match the following, and true or false. Next we'll see the question answer section. So dear students, moving with the question answers, answer the questions in detail or the brief. First one, what do you understand by resources, and name the categories in which the resources are classified. So you need to write the meaning of resources and its classification, which are based on different categories. So answer is, resources refers to the things that can be transformed into more valuable and useful things to fulfill human needs. So in order to fulfill the human needs, they are utilizing the things and which can be transformed into their wants and desires from the resources. The resources are divided into three broad categories. They are natural, human resources, and human made resources. These are the three categories: natural resources, human made resources. And the next is second one, Where are the biotic resources obtained from? Biotic resources are obtained from living things like animals, plants, and microorganisms. So they have asked, where does the biotic resources obtain? That is, we get biotic resources from living things such as animals, plants, and microorganisms. Next is, why are abiotic resources also called as non-renewable resources? That is, abiotic resources are said to be as non-renewable resources. Why? Abiotic resources are also called as non-renewable resources because which gets completely exhausted due to continuous use and takes millions of years to regenerate. So abiotic resources are also known as non-renewable